I hope that everything's visible. I've got a new tablet case and it's not behaving itself. So as you can see, we're set up for a mess test. Just a short one. I've actually got a video from last week still to upload. And given I've not been well and have injured myself, I've been wanting to film this for days and I'm still sore. But I'm mainly doing it so I can empty the shark. So, what I have here, a little trundle interview. Oh, there we go. Not quite hit the mark. Ignore the clash now out of that. Okay. So there we go. This is a Hoover Turbo Power. And it came with two. I want to say two, but there's only one. So one of its things. I'm sure the other one was there. For some reason the hose will not stay in its place. I haven't really looked at this. It's had a couple of runs testing it out. Not done an MS test with it. Just seeing if it worked, given that the Hoover Senior that there's a minute and 44 seconds I've uploaded blew itself up. So this one was got that same weekend. I think it was a bargain. It was £10. My husband spotted it in a store nearby. And what we're going to see just now is just how good it is. I know it's exceptionally good at suction. We'll see how good it is at clearing some very fluffy debris. Okay, now it is very noisy and noise in a way that suggests it might need a wee bit of looked at. But here it goes. Now I'm just going to stop it there at a kind of halfway mark. Admittedly I should have done a full one pass. I might do that on the upper side. But that is some good pickup. And again, you're talking an older machine. One that feels quite cheaply made. But look at what it's achieving. Right, so we're going to do on the right hand side, we're going to try a one pass through that massive pile of dog hair. Wasn't bad. I know it dropped a bit that I picked up on the sly there, but that was quite a pile of dog hair, and I'll run it back and forward and see what else falls off it, but pretty impressed. Okay, well, barring that small bit of fluff that fell off it on the backswing, nothing else came out. So let's just clear the rest up. Electrolux, this also has the same power to just lift the rug up. A power we know that the Shark doesn't have. So I'll just show you that. Now what that actually shows us there is it's not as powerful as the Electrolux. The Electrolux can light all the way back, having picked it up. But this is a far cheaper made machine. Like ridiculously cheap. It feels on par with a number of the more modern Hoovers I've got, which are also very cheap feeling. But even those don't stoop to the levels of cheap that this has. It only has one hook on the back for the cable. Would have killed him to put in two hooks. You can actually see further in the body where the other hook would have been. Then this hose that never wants to stay in. And then when you want it out, it never wants to get out. But let's see if I can get that. Is there a tool selection? There might be. Let us. It's a bit stiff. This might be me that's just not been very clever. Yeah, I mean I've certainly not been very clever there, and it does have a setting, but the suction doesn't increase that much. I don't think I've got my Hoover room's been turned upside down because it returned to being a bedroom for a weekend. So I'll be buggered if I know what's happened to any of my wands. I swear I saw them as well. Whole stack of them. But I didn't want to get lost or mixed up with anything else. Oh wait, there they are. The things I use most, put in the place that I can access the least. Right. The hose. Try to find a match for it. Yeah, it's annoying. No, I want is a wand. Oh, there we go. Maybe. I can get the stuff for it, but I mean it fits all the normal Hoover ones, but I don't actually think I've got an upright Hoover wand. I don't think any of them uprights came with them. But anyway, we'll just have a quick demo since I'm wasting time. You look sensible? Okay. This is just with a random forehead from my pull along. that you can see disappearing. Not the quickest today, am I? I've got a bath run waiting to get into as well. I could do with a tad more organisation in my life. Okay. That'll do. That'll do, Hoover. That'll do. No. Things starting to fall over. You move one thing and then else once it's moved. I can stay up there for just now out of trouble. Right, let's see if this lifts. Then we'll say goodbye and I'll have a bath. I'm so stupid. Oh. The wand was there all along. Oh, jeez. I'm just giving up in this video. Well, know that for next time. For this next outing. For anybody who's interested, and as silly as I am, the wand is hidden within the U shape of the hose. Right, everything's done. Well, just a short video, hope you enjoyed it. I'll be away for roughly a week or so. So, sorry for not many uploads, but when I'm back, we'll get back to business. Right, everyone take care. Bye.